Are you confused about which hardware wallet to choose? Today, we are diving into Tangem versus Arculus. Both of these wallets help you keep your cryptocurrency safe. They store your private keys securely so you can manage your digital assets easily. But how do they compare? Let's start with Tangem. This wallet uses smart card technology. It looks like a regular card, but it's packed with features. You can tap it against your phone to access your crypto. It's very user friendly, making it a great choice for beginners. Plus, it has a secure chip that protects your keys from hackers. Now, let's talk about Arculus. This wallet is a bit different. It uses a metal card and connects to your phone via NFC. It also has a secure chip, but it offers a unique feature, a mobile app that lets you manage your assets easily. The design is sleek and modern, appealing to those who want something stylish. So, what are the key differences? Tangem is more straightforward and portable, while Arculus offers a more interactive experience with its app. If you want simplicity, Tangem might be your best bet. If you prefer a modern touch, Arculus could be the way to go. When it comes to features, both wallets are strong. Tangem focuses on ease of use, while Arculus provides more options through its app. They both keep your crypto safe, but the way you interact with them is different. In terms of pricing, both are reasonably priced for what they offer. You might find slight differences, but they are generally in the same range. In the end, if you want a no fuss wallet, choose Tangem. If you like a stylish design and more features, go for Arculus. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more comparisons.